I'm on the freeway in the drop, they got me losing my breath. Do the dance with the blues on the deck.
This is how it came out. I redid the headlights. There's a kid acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. It was really nasty and chippy. You can still see the chips, but at least it's not eyesore. Sanded it with a light grit. This is how this came out with I polished the headlights. It came out really good. Like I said, I repainted this part with Plasti dip. I left this ring right here so when I do take it off eventually it'll be a little easier. Something to grab on all the way along the side right there. So it looks really good. I did paint one side. See the difference from that one to that one? That one's all ashy. That's how that turned out. For today, we're going to do the trim for the whole car. I've been putting it off. Just got back. The store's locked, so I gotta go around. I'll do the trim for the whole thing. Cute. Hi. Hi. So all this has to get sanded off. It's already peeling. All has to get sanded off and resprayed. Smart High stuff was like $10 a can, so I'm gonna use that. Hopefully it comes out good. I already did the side mirrors and I sprayed this one as like a test run. I still gotta clean this out. I haven't been home, so it's the first day I've been able to work on it, plus it's really nice out. So sprayed these. Gotta get all that cleaned off again. It's all nasty. I gotta go pick up my manual that I ordered today. So I sprayed these, the grill. I Plasti dipped just a small trim piece that goes along because I don't want to take it off right now. However, I will take this off, sand it down, and respray it. Replace these lights because the opposite one has a nice little crack in it. Plus I'm missing the lip that goes to the bottom, so I still have to do that. But yeah, it's just slowly coming together. I'll do all the trim today. So what it's looking like so far, I got most of the trim off on this part. I'm starting this side. It looks pretty nasty because I need to wipe it down with some water. But I took the side light off. Sand it this. Go back over it again with 1000 grit. to start on this side. Take that one out too as well. Let's get all this down. I got 180 grit sandpaper to kind of smooth this down some, and then I'm gonna smooth it back out with 1,000 and 1,500. Yep, it's looking good so far. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I got overspray, I don't care. All that's gonna get sanded off anyways. This is just temporary, like I said, guys. I don't like ashy trim. I'm gonna wet sand this down some more and redo it, but it's good for now. It's starting to get really windy. There's only so much I could do today without the wind blowing up dust. I'm about to take it for a drive because I did rinse out my engine bay. I rinsed this top portion off right here. It was really dirty. Looks a lot cleaner now. Nice and shiny. I'm going to take it for a drive so it dry faster. And I'm going to rinse this down. It's pretty good. Got my manual, so I'm pretty happy about that. Bam, straight there.